Hello and welcome back, or welcome to my channel. I am Giovanna, the owner of Beauty Designs. I have another YouTube page is where most of my content was always going, which is Miss Willis and the Willis Crew, which is my family vlog page. This page I am going to start using for my business and everything dealing with my beauty design brand. I have been beauty designs for 2 years. I do custom t-shirts, and I also am a reseller. I resell on the Poshmark app at Beauty Designs, and yeah, so I am going to start this channel, and please don't mind my hair. I've been cleaning today. I've been trying to reorganize my inventory room and get everything cleaned so I can bring all my inventory down, make sure that everything is listed, make sure that pictures are of the best quality that I want. I am rebranding my beauty design business. I also sell on Etsy, my custom t-shirts and custom items on Etsy, but I am branding my Poshmark. I am trying to scale that. I have lots of inventory that I've been selling on Poshmark, Mercari, eBay. I think that's it. Poshmark, Mercari, and eBay I've been selling on, but I am, oh, and Shopify, but I am shutting down everything other than Poshmark and Etsy. I will be putting all of my boutique and items on Poshmark, and then my handmade items will be on Etsy, and those are going to be the only 2 platforms that I am going to sell on, because it had gotten to the point where, and I hope you guys can hear me, my washing machine is going. It had got to the point where I was literally being pulled in so many different directions, because I was selling on eBay, I was selling on Mercari, I was selling on Poshmark, I was selling on eBay, and then I was cross-listing everything, and it just got to be too much. So now I am going to focus on Poshmark and Etsy as my 2 platforms. I will put the links in the description box below for both of the platforms, and email address and any information that I can give you guys will all be in the description box below. Thank you for stopping by my channel. Please like and subscribe, because I will be doing weekly videos as I revamp my Poshmark and become a full-time reseller on the Poshmark app and a full-time custom design on the Etsy app. So once again, thank you for stopping by my channel. Like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one.